Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn more about the particle 으로. In the previous lesson, we learned that this particle can mean toward or to or in the direction of a location. Well, it also has one more very important usage which is different than this. The particle 으로 can also be used to show what sort of method, material, machine, tool, channel, or means by which something happens. For example, this particle could translate as using, by, with, and several other translations. For example, 편지를 연필로 썼어요. I wrote a letter with a pencil. Here, the pencil was a tool or means by which you wrote the letter, as marked by this particle 으로. It could also translate as using a pencil or by pencil. In addition to this usage, the particle 으로 also has a few more uses, and I'll point them out if any of them come up in future lessons. So because this particle can have so many different English translations depending on how it's used, let's take a look at a few examples so you can see it yourself. 자전거로 갔어요. I went by bicycle. 어제 저녁을 손으로 만들었어요. Yesterday I made dinner by hand. 눈으로만 볼 거예요. 만지지 않을 거예요. I will only look with my eyes. I will not touch. 비행기 3대를 종이로 만들었어요. I made 3 airplanes out of paper. 영어로 설명해 주세요. Please explain in English. 이따가 이메일로 보내주세요. Please send it by email a little bit later. 빌리 씨랑 전화로 얘기했어요. I talked with Billy on the phone. 한국어를 독학으로 배우고 있어요. I'm learning Korean with self-study. Alright, so let's do a conversation practice using this new form in a few different situations. We have 2 people, Suji and Shinhye. First, Suji says, 아, 제 핸드폰이 지금 안 돼요. Ah, my cell phone doesn't work now. 핸드폰을 좀 빌려주세요. Please lend me your cell phone. 친구한테 전화를 하고 싶어요. I want to call to a friend. I want to call a friend. 제 걸 쓰세요. Use mine. Note here, 제 것 or 제 거 literally means my thing and is a natural way to just say mine. Anytime 것 or 거 is used this way without the particle 의, it's pronounced as 것. So here, 제 걸 would be pronounced as 제 걸. 이 핸드폰으로 전화해도 돼요. You can call with this cell phone, or you can call using this cell phone. 고마워요. Thanks. 아, 이런. 아, dang. 미나 씨의 전화번호를 기억할 수 없어요. I cannot remember Mina's phone number. 아, 제가 찾을 수 있어요. Ah, I can find it. 그래요? Really? 찾아주세요. Please find it. 이미 찾았어요. I already found it. 제 핸드폰 안에도 미나 씨의 번호가 있었어요. I also had Mina's number inside my cell phone. 오, 다행이에요. Oh, that's fortunate. Or that's good. 이따가 미나 씨의 집에 놀러 갈 거예요. A little bit later, I'm going to Mina's house to hang out. 어떻게 가요? How will you go? 지하철이랑 버스로 갈 거예요. I will go by subway and bus.
아, 제 핸드폰이 지금 안 돼요. 핸드폰을 좀 빌려주세요. 친구한테 전화를 하고 싶어요. 제 걸 쓰세요. 이 핸드폰으로 전화해도 돼요. 고마워요. 아, 이런. 미나 씨의 전화번호를 기억할 수 없어요. 아, 제가 찾을 수 있어요. 그래요? 찾아주세요. 이미 찾았어요. 제 핸드폰 안에도 미나 씨의 번호가 있었어요. 오, 다행이에요. 이따가 미나 씨의 집에 놀러 갈 거예요. 어떻게 가요? 지하철이랑 버스로 갈 거예요.
So in this lesson, we learned another common usage of the particle 으로. So practice both of these and I'll see you again in the next lesson. 그럼 다음에 또 봐!